Hello, YouTube. Carlos Williams again. And today I'm going to be moving around on the Dominion Energy website. Once you create an account at dominionenergy.com, you can see here where my next payment is due by June 11th in 12 days. So when you click on make a payment, it will take you to this page right here where it's no fees if you have it deducted from your bank account, or if you choose this and then click next, you have an option of how much you want to pay. And it says right here, which I don't know why it does that. I pay my bill in full every single time. And now it says I have a $2.06 past due balance. So I'm going to call them tomorrow, and they did that once before. When I called them, they say, oh, our system made a mistake. Anyway, once you click, this is where you choose whether you want to pay with PayPal, Amazon Pay, or your credit card pay, or debit card. So you click on that, and you enter all your information, and then once you click continue, it's going to go to a payment confirmation page that shows a fee for $1.65, and you have to agree to pay the fee because you're using your debit card. And once you do that, just continue to click next, and your payment will be made, and you can download your receipt. Alrighty, thanks for watching.